Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the PlayStation 5 Pro, the successor to the normal PlayStation 5. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. Key features include its spectral super resolution or PSSR with a super sharp image clarity on your 4K TV or any resolution monitor with AI and enhanced resolution ensures stunning detail and lifelike visuals. It's also optimized for smooth gameplay with support for 60 or 120 Hz of displays with enhanced stability for frame rates and a seamless gaming experience. It also includes advanced ray tracing, kind of like the Nvidia RTX, with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections for next level immersion. It's also perfect for exploring detailed open world games because they are going to be much more beautiful with the lighting and the shadows. It also has a ultra high speed SSD with 2 terabytes of storage with near instant loading times for games with an extensive library of titles with 2 terabytes of SSD storage. It has Wi-Fi 7 compatibility with enhanced bandwidth for fast download and reduced latency with improved online gaming experience with compatible routers. It also has Game Boost and backwards compatibility with enhanced performance over 8500 PS4 games. It's again faster and smoother gameplay with PS5 Game Boost. It also has the DualSense wireless controller. It's enhanced for this version of the PS5 Pro with haptic feedback and adaptive triggers, with also Tempest 3D audio tech with surround sound that feels as though it is coming from every direction, and enhanced audio immersion in compatible game. Either way, it has stunning visuals with PSSR and ray tracing with high frame rates for smooth gameplay, a large 2 terabyte SSD for extensive games, and backwards compatibility. And so there you have it guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. And see you in the next one.